In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you can't swipe left or right on iPhone's home screen after iOS 16 update. That is quite simple and easy to fix, so let's begin. And the first thing that you have to try is to force restart your iPhone. To do that, you can quickly press volume up button, then volume down button, and then hold down power button. See how it looks like. Volume up, volume down, and hold power button. It brings you to that screen where you can move that slider to the very right position to turn your device off, then wait 10 to 20 seconds and hold down power button to turn on your device. If for some reason that doesn't help, you can try the next thing. You can try to swipe in the center of your screen, not top, not bottom, but just in the center. In that way you can even find your settings. And then the next thing that you can try is to open up your settings, then scroll down for a bit and tap on home screen, and then first disable that feature show on home screen. It turns off that search on your home screen. See how it looks like. If that doesn't help, the last thing that you can try is open up settings, then go into general. Next, tap at software update and here check for the latest software updates. If you got some, just hit add install now and wait until new software update is downloaded and installed. Write down in the comments if it helps you and don't forget to like and subscribe.